Let's go. That's down, guys. Now, this is where I'll be brief, guys. It'll be a short tutorial now. First of this tutorial is go to your right and left. Remember, this video is mirrored, so we go like this: 5, 6, to the right. Come on, guys. Now after that, let's do this. We do 1, go forward again. You go to each side like this, forward, straight. See you guys. So do like a salsa dance, guys. That's it. Do like a salsa dance. First, make sure your waist is free. Make sure you have a free waist like this. So just cut. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So guys, once you are able to get the movement, let's do this. Just fasten up the step, guys. Here, you gotta fasten up the steps. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come slow. First, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's start with the top, guys. Please, I'm not subscribed to the channel. Kindly subscribe down below, guys. Subscribe down below, like this video. And let's go. So let's go one more time. We're going slow then. Pick it off. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, that's the dance tutorial. That's the dance challenge. In case you like this video, can you subscribe down below, like this video, and don't forget to like my 2 videos over here. And I'll be doing this challenge, the dance challenge series, guys. I'm not yet covered the series yet, but I'm not planning one for you guys. So kindly drop some comment dance for me to teach in the comment section. If you want me to teach any dance, drop in the comment section. I'll show you guys. And don't forget to watch this video over here. Like this video, subscribe. And in case you do my tutorial, in case you will download my laptop and put it to your channel, kindly tag my name, #Teoluckzboom in that your video. And guys, I'll see you in my next video.